Today we are going to learn how to log into our Destiny account through GoFollet. The first thing you need to do is go to gofollet.com in your browser. Remember, Follet has two L's and two T's. Once you enter the website, press enter and you should reach this screen. If you have not bookmarked Destiny's GoFollet yet, then please click on the star in the upper right corner of your browser and you will be able to save that. I've saved mine on the bookmarks bar, as you can see here. If you don't want it on your bar, you can press the down arrow and save it in another place. The first thing you need to do if you have never logged in to Destiny through GoFollet is find your location, which is your state. To do that, click on the down arrow beside location and click on the S on your keyboard to quickly find South Carolina. Your school is Sullivan Middle School in Rock Hill, South Carolina. Once you have entered those two pieces of information, click the Go button and allow Follet Destiny to load. It may take a few seconds if you've never visited before. At this point, you should see our catalog. Now, you do not have to log in to use our catalog. You can simply enter any term or title in the search bar and it will automatically search for that. And you can see the books that we have here on our Halloween search. However, let's go back to learning to log in to Destiny through GoFollet. Click on Log in the upper right-hand corner. Your username is your Canvas username. So enter that. Your password is your birthday, but we do not use leading zeros. So if your birthday is January through September, you will just enter a 1 through a 9 and not a 0. My birthday is January 14th, so I'll enter a 1 and then a 1-4 for my day of birth. Then I'll enter the year. Once you have entered your birthday, click on the Submit button and your account should load. If you have logged in correctly, you will see a little person's shape in the upper right-hand corner. And you can click on that and you can see your name, your school, and that you're part of Rock Hill Schools. Later, if you want to play around, you can go into my profile and load a picture and do all of that fun stuff. And here you see the Log Out button. Anytime you log into your account on a computer other than your own, make sure you log out so other people don't have access to your information. Now, why bother to log in? Because you can do a few things if you are logged in. You can come up to these three little lines and you can go down to see what you have checked out. I have these books checked out, and as you can see, I can simply click on the Renew button and renew them. I've renewed that one too many times. If you can't click on the Renew button to renew, then bring your book to the library and I will renew it for you. That usually happens because you are out of renewals or because someone has that book on hold. Now, another thing you can do is you can see the holds you have placed. I don't have any on hold, so let me go put something on hold. We know Diary of a Wimpy Kid is almost always checked out, so let me look up those books. Here are all of our Diary of a Wimpy Kids. I'm going to look at all of my titles, and you can see if the book is out, I can click on the hold button. Once I click on the hold, it tells me that it has received my request and it will let me know when it comes in. You can also go here and remove the hold if you decide you've made a mistake. Let me put this book on hold and this one. Then we will go back to the three lines in the upper left corner, click on those, go to holds, so you can see I can view my holds. This tells me that the hold is pending, which means it is not in yet, and also gives me an opportunity to remove that hold if I've changed my mind or borrowed the book from someone else. Let's remove both holds. I can click on the triple lines again, and I can go back to Destiny Discover to the catalog. That is how you log in to Destiny Discover through GoFollett.com, place books on hold, and check your account. If you have any questions, please ask Ms. McManus in the library or review this video again. Thank you. I'm going to log out and say goodbye.